Hey everyone, so in this video I decided to do a birthday look. It is completely purple. Purple is actually my favorite color of all time, so I decided why not for the birthday. So first I took a bright white color and I just went in and dusted that all over my lid. So I actually took the lighter purple for the first step of building the crease, and I went ahead and started that as the first transition color. So then I took the darker purple and I went ahead and worked that into my crease. So now I took the darkest color for the crease. I believe it is called Escape from the James Charles palette, and I went ahead and worked that into my crease. Now I took a little lighter shade of purple, kind of looks like a purpley pinkish color, and I applied that directly to the outer corner of my eye, right in the corner there. This is always my favorite part of the look, anything sparkly. So I went ahead and took a nice sparkly purple and I used a nice short, thick brush to pack it on very thick to the lid. And I applied that in the center more so than anywhere else. I didn't end up getting to the inner corner of my eye, but I saved that for the white color. I went ahead and I took the darkest purple and I just lined that underneath my lash line there, and I stopped about a quarter way into my lash line. I didn't want to go further than that or else I would look like a raccoon probably. So I just went ahead and softly blended that in. For the final part of this look, I took a nice bright white color and I blended that into the inner corner of my eye. Always do this step. It definitely brightens and opens up the eye and makes them pop. Now I just went ahead with the white color again and I dusted that into my brow bone, and that is the end of this look. I hope you guys like this video and subscribe for more content. I'll see you in my next video.